In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add variations to Etsy listings using a simple and practical method. First, understand this. Variations allow you to offer different options for the same product, such as size, color, or style, making it easier for customers to choose what they want. Now, if you want to add variations to your Etsy listing, here's what to do. Start by logging into your Etsy account. Go to the Etsy website and sign in with your account. Next, open your Shop Manager. Click on Shop Manager from the top menu to access your store dashboard. After that, go to your Listings section. Select the listing you want to edit or create a new one. Now, find the Variation section. Click on Add Variations and you'll see a list of options like size, color, or material depending on your product category. Choose the variation type you want to add. You can also enable options to vary price, quantity, or processing time for each variation if needed. Once you've added your variations, click Done and then save your listing. That's it. Adding variations to your Etsy listings helps you offer more choices to customers and improves your chances of making a sale.